Common garage door repair issues. Broken springs, frayed cables, misaligned tracks, opener malfunctions, and sensor issues are among the most frequent problems. These issues affect safety and reliability if not addressed early. Why it matters in Panama City. Humidity, salt air, and storms speed up wear and corrosion on garage door components, making regular maintenance even more important for local homeowners. Mechanical failures to watch for. Springs and cables wear out over time, especially with daily use. When these fail, the door may become stuck, crooked, or completely inoperable. Track and roller issues. Bent tracks and worn rollers cause jerky or noisy operation. Ignoring these signs can strain the opener or cause derailment. Opener and sensor troubles. Electrical parts like motors and sensors can fail from age or moisture. Symptoms include unresponsive remotes, flashing lights, or reversing doors. Climate-related damage. Florida's environment contributes to rust, warped panels, and worn-out seals. These can reduce energy efficiency and compromise door function. Preventative maintenance helps. Lubricating parts, checking alignment, and inspecting cables seasonally can prevent most breakdowns before they happen. When to call a pro. DIY is fine for minor upkeep, but leave spring, cable, and opener repairs to trained professionals to ensure safety and performance.